Hello everyone. Another best practices and recommended options to secure your account is implementing a strong password policy. And a strong password policy can help your users to protect their account from brute force attack. And in this video, we are going to see how to implement a strong and complex password policy for your users within AWS account. All right. So without further ado, let's start. So what I'm going to do now, I will go to IAM dashboard. And from IAM dashboard, somewhere in left navigation bar, you can see something is called account settings. So I'll click here. And then in account settings page, I can see something called change password policy button. We will click on that button to make our password policy stronger and complex. But before that, let's have a look at the default password policy that AWS enforces. And in default password policy, what AWS does, it enforces minimum length of 8 characters for the passwords. And also the password should be a combination of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and a special character. And we can also see the default password policy also enforces that the password should not be same as the account name or email address. All right. So these are the basic default password policy, but we want our password policy to be stronger and more complex. And to do that, what I'm going to do, I'll click on that blue change password policy button, and then I will be redirected to the password policy page. And in this page, I can define my password policy. As you see here, right now, password policy enforces 8 characters length for the passwords, but we want to make it, let's say, 16 characters. That means whenever users try to change their password, it has to be 16 characters, right? Then we can make the password policy even stronger. What we can do, we can enforce that the password must have at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter. The password must also contain a number and a special character. So that's how we can make our passwords more complex and stronger. Additionally, we can also enable password expiration so that after certain days, users has to change their passwords to protect their account, right? And then we can also allow users to change their passwords if necessary. And finally, what I'm going to do, I will prevent password reuse for last 10 passwords. That means user will not be able to use their last 10 passwords. And once I'm okay with all the details, I can save the password policy. And that's where we can implement a strong password policy. And it's always recommended. It's one of the best practices that we should follow to protect our users from brute force attack. So that's all. Thank you.